Hi, hi, hi. So I'm going to be talking about the Fire TV Cube. This is a product that we sell at AMS. We have it on our website. We also deliver and install this product to the customer. This is designated for streaming specifically, so you can get your YouTube, your Netflix. You see some of them on the box here. There's all kinds of stuff. It has Alexa built in, so it's great if you're trying to expand your smart home capabilities. It also has the far field voice control, so you can talk to this thing from another room. It listens very well, sometimes too well if you ask me. 4K Ultra HD, so the picture on this bad boy is going to be just crystal clear. Now, granted, with the 4K TV is needed to get true 4K. Now, granted, with the 4K TV is needed to get true 4K. So just keep that in mind. But this is a great product, young and old, anyone in the home that wants to make an old TV new again, buy this Fire Cube from AMS. If you enjoyed this video, go to our YouTube. Well, that's probably where you are right now. Go to YouTube, go to our Facebook, give us a like, and find more great content today.